Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change profile picture on Hamster Kombat. There isn't a built-in way to change your profile picture within the Hamster Kombat itself, since it operates within Telegram. So, you can consider changing your Telegram profile picture, which might indirectly affect how you appear within Hamster Kombat as well. So open your Telegram app and make sure you get back to the main home page of Telegram. From the home page or the chat page, click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Once you get to the settings page, tap on Set Profile Photo. Open up your device's camera roll and select the picture you would like to use as your profile picture on Telegram. Resize or adjust your picture and make necessary edits using the tools at the bottom. After you are done, click on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Now that you've changed your profile picture or added a new profile picture on your Telegram account, you will be able to change the profile picture for your Hamster Kombat account as well. So that's the only way you will be able to change your profile picture or add a new profile picture on Hamster Kombat. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.